Have you ever looked at a recycling symbol on packaging and thought, what does that actually mean? It can be frustrating when you're just trying to do the right thing. Sure, we all know the classic recycling triangle, but there are so many other symbols hiding on our products, and most of us have no clue what they mean. Today, let's break them down together, so you'll never be confused again. Alright, first up, why do these symbols even matter? Well, recycling symbols help you figure out how packaging can, or sometimes can't, be recycled. This helps avoid wish cycling, tossing something in the bin hoping it's recyclable, which can contaminate entire batches. Not every city or town collects the same stuff, so these labels are like your cheat sheet for what your local bin will actually accept. You'll see what's called an OPRL label, that stands for On-Pack Recycling Label. They'll tell you if something is recycle, vertical bar rinse, or don't recycle. Let me break those down. If you see a green recycle label, that means most councils, about 75% or more, collect it. So you're good to toss it in the recycling bin. If it says recycle vertical bar rinse, same deal, but you gotta clean it first. Any leftover food or liquid can contaminate the whole recycling batch, potentially sending the entire load to landfill. A quick rinse is all it takes, and if you spot don't recycle, that means less than half of councils take it, so it's best to keep it out of your curbside bin. Now let's talk about those numbers in triangles you've probably spotted on plastic bottles and containers. That's the resin identification code. Here's the quick rundown. 1 is PET. That's your typical water bottle, and it's widely recycled. 2 is HDPE. Think milk jugs and detergent bottles, also widely recycled. 3 is PVC, which isn't easily recycled. 4 is LDPE, like bread bags, usually recycled only at special drop-off points. 5 is PP, or polypropylene, which is showing up in more recycling programs these days. 6 is PS, that's styrofoam, super tough to recycle. And 7 is other, a mix of plastics only handled by specialist facilities. But wait, there's more. The Mobius Loop, those 3 chasing arrows, means the item can be recycled, but not always in your area. Sometimes there's a percentage inside showing how much recycled content is in the item. The green dot? This one's confusing. It doesn't mean recyclable. It just means the brand pays into a European recycling program. It doesn't guarantee recyclability where you live. Tidy man, or the little guy tossing trash. That's just a friendly reminder, don't litter. And these last 2 are important. The seedling logo means an item is certified for industrial composting only, not your home compost or recycling. The home compostable logo means it can go in your backyard compost bin. But here's the key takeaway. Neither of these belong in your standard recycling bin. They are designed to break down and will contaminate the plastic recycling process.